We've all been talking, we don't think you're mentally stable, so we're going to take you somewhere safe. I know it's not what you want, but it's what's going to be best for you. Hold on a moment, I need to take this.
Oh, hi Georgia. How are you feeling today? You're looking much better than you have in the past. Now I see you're having some problems with your pills, so maybe we might think of increasing your dose just to make you a little bit more sedative, you know, just so we can have a little bit more peace and quiet, yeah? And later on, oh yes, it seems we had group therapy, and we both know how much you love that. But we have had